Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of malware in your Android phone. You can use two methods to detect or delete malware in your phone. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app and then scroll all the way down, then go to device care option and then just go to app protection option. Now from here you have to scan your phone. Just tap on scan phone option. You can see it's scanning your all the phone apps. It also scan your system apps. So just give it a moment. You can see it's almost done. And here it is. You can see there are no threats or malware found in my phone. Now for the second method, just close settings app and open up your Google Play Store. Then tap on this profile icon and then go to manage apps and device. Then tap on no harmful apps option. You can also scan your phone apps from here. Just tap on scan option and you can see it's scanning your all the phone apps and it's complete. You can see there are no harmful apps found in my phone. And that is how you can get rid of malware in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.